In Pampanga, you're referring to the town of San Simon. We helped you when I was still in the House of Representatives because what he did was wrong. But in that hearing, I remember that we suggested that NGCP should file immediately an action against the mayor, but it took you so long. I don't know if you succeeded in filing one, because that is the only way to discourage and to prevent enterprising local government units into meddling into your works. Ang problema, I myself, Madam Chair, napansin ko while we were still in that hearing, parang hesitant ang NGCP. Yun ang nagiging problema. Thank you, Madam Chair. Can you react?
Yes, thank you, Senator Marcoleta. We have already filed the case with the Ombudsman. It's already submitted for resolution. And as we have commented during that hearing, NGCP is really keen on project implementation. That is why as soon, it's a month, Your Honor, the stoppage is a month. So as soon as we were allowed to resume, we resumed with the project, but it did. May I continue? Okay.
No, I was also going to ask, between DOE and NEA, if for example it involves rural electrification, what are there measures that you take to assist in this? Like, do you report to any of them and tell them this is what's going on? Because that's great that it nagkataon na may hearing sa House, may hearing sa Senate, and to the extent that we can all assist, but it's an implementation issue, no? So who helps in that sense? Kasi if we say that the goal is electrification to be efficient, and then these things happen, and any barangay captain can hold it up, my God. Like, so who steps in government?
We resort to local government hierarchy, Your Honor.
No, but on the national, kasi the goal of electrification is within this body, di ba? So DOE and to a certain extent NEA. So wala kayong role dyan? I want an answer. I want to know. You are all more experienced than I am in the energy sector, so I want to know.
Madam Chair, if I may answer, based on the franchise of NGCP, they are authorized to all this expropriation. The DOE comes in, especially if there is stranded power na available na po pero hindi makakabato because of that critical transmission assets na hindi pa natutuloy. So even it is beyond our jurisdiction, we try to reach out to these LGUs and make representation na kung anong issue we have to settle and address the matter.
So, but have you been involved in, like, she has a list, no? I mean, obviously you're just giving me a few examples. Do you automatically get involved? Are you automatically informed? I would think you tell them because it affects your timeline, no? So may reportorial kayo, something like that. But it's not really an SOS na please help us. You're just reporting to them na, tama ba? Do I understand correctly?
Yes, Your Honor. We have the ad hoc. We do meet on a regular basis with the DOE in that ad hoc meeting
so,
for transmission.
By the way you're explaining it to me, both of you, it would appear that, okay, let's say you have a quarterly meeting. Okay, FYI, ito yung mga nangyari. Dito, naharang kami. Dito, hiningan kami ng ganito. Dito, hindi natuloy. It's just a reportorial thing. So, it's not an intervention that you do in pursuit of that goal. That electrification within the fastest period in the most efficient way, right? It's not. So, that's my conclusion. And you can tell me I'm wrong, but that's how I hear it. And if so, I will also ask you for the solutions. What can you do about it? Because,
Your Honor,
yeah,
meron po discussion during that hearing, and that meron po na mga tasking na, okay, we do this. So hindi po siya like
But how often does that ad hoc committee meet?
At least on a monthly basis, weekly. At least on a monthly basis, Your Honor.
Okay,
Tapos
sige. So,
may mga things to do.
Okay, so the next report that you'll give me is the specific issues that you encountered and how soon was it resolved, no? So if it's resolved in 1 week, okay. 2 weeks, pwede na siguro. Pero I don't know, do we want to wait a month? Maybe the others have more than a month. Diba?
Sige po, Your Honor.